Welcome to the in front of me Asus Rog Phone 5S, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go to the Google folder and launch the Gmail application. Now here on the right upper corner, tap this icon, and here as can you see we are logged in into 2 accounts at the same moment. And for example, just to remove one from this account, to log out from them, just tap here to the manage accounts on this device. And for example, we wanna remove this account, so just tap here and tap here to remove account and confirm by tapping one more time. And as can you see, our account is gone right now, and just we'll go back and we'll check that. So yeah, right, as can you see, we got here just one login account, and the second account we just removed successfully. So that's it, that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.